Hello friends, welcome to my another video in this channel. Today we'll build workstation on the home with the two monitor, one laptop, one dock station as well as with a keyboard and mouse. So let's get started. So before connecting, I'll show you which cable goes where so that you know what to do. So here I have a monitor. So in the monitor we need to plug a power cable and one display cable. If you have a HDMI cable, that's also fine. So here I have a power cable. So that's a power cable. And I have one display port. So we'll connect the display port. If you have a HDMI, that's also fine. So the one display port goes here. Another display port goes to dock station. I will show you that in a later. And the power cable goes here. Same with this monitor too. And here I have a keyboard and mouse, which goes to the dock station. And this is the dock station, which is from Targus. So in the dock station, I can show you. So this is a display port and this is a HDMI port. So if you have a display cable that goes from the monitor to here, so put in the display cable. If you have a HDMI, put it here. So one in here, another in to the monitor, and the power cable goes here. That goes to the wall, and one cable from here to the end of the laptop, and the laptop will be over here. Here that goes to the cable, and the keyboard and mouse goes over here and over here. Now we'll connect all the cables which I told you in the video, and I'll show you that as well. So here I have connected everything and my display has come up as well. So I'll show you what I have done. So this is my dock station. So in dock station, one display port over here, another display port over here. If you have HDMI, then you can put HDMI cable on the dock station. And so one end over here and another end over the monitor over here. And the power cable goes to the wall where it supplies the power, and this is the power from the dock station, and this is a keyboard and mouse, and this one cable from dock station to the laptop on the side that will show up the display to the monitor. So the monitor display is over here and another over here. Now we'll arrange it nicely and I will show it to you. So finally I have arranged it nicely. So this is my workstation, and here you might have to set up the display screen as well. So for that, just go to the display setting, then go to identify. So I have three screen over here, so I'll just do extend, and over here just skip changes, identify. So this is one and this is three, this is two. So one is over here, three is over here, and two is over here. So apply, that means this is my 132, so I can move the mouse over here to over here. And yeah, so this is how I can use my three screen. And if you want to make the this is the main screen, then you have to identify which screen is this. So this is three. So over here just go to the select the three, then make this as a main display. Then this is my main display now. So this is how you set up the workstation on your home. If you have any doubt, please do a comment on the down. I will definitely get back to you. And don't forget to like and share my video as well as subscribe my channel, because it will give me motivation to make a video like this. And thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it. I will see you in another video. Thank you.